US30 this week has made a breakout to the upside, and we can see the price made a breakout and then continue to rise in value, where we had a bearish candle on Wednesday going down, touching this demand zone, and then on Thursday price continued to rise in value. This is just information that currently on the market we have a strong bullish market that is pushing the price on a higher price level, and we can see that the price reached all-time high 38,783, which means a very strong bullish market, and also there are no sellers that could return and also reverse this movement. On the weekly time frame, we can just make a conclusion that this is still a bullish market, and the price has made a breakout in the previous week and confirmed this bullish breakout this week. So the price is heading to the upper side and is reaching higher price levels, where the next one is 39,000. On the monthly time frame, the previous month has ended as a bullish candle. We can see that the price has made a breakout above 38,000 as a round number, and the price is continuing to rise in value, where the first stop is 39,000 as the next round number. So everything is pointing that this is still bullish momentum, and we can see that for the last 3 months the price is rising in value. There is no stopping, there is no bouncing back down, returning, confirming this bullish breakout as well one, which means there are no sellers, just buyers that are pushing the price even higher and higher. Will 39,000 or 40,000 will be the next stop? Everything is still open. For the monthly time frame, it's not clear what could happen, and also because there are no historical data that could point us in the right direction, but making the conclusion as a round number is the first step is also something that we could use. But on the weekly time frame, we can see this very important level has been broken to the upside and is continuing to rise in value. So I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value, just because on the weekly time frame we can see it is a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value, not stopping or returning back down. But the daily is just showing that after the bullish breakout has happened, it's been confirmed, and on a Friday we have still another one small breakout inside this inside this area between 39,000 and 38,000. This is just suggesting that the price have strong bullish momentum, and I am expecting that the price will rise in value also next week. If the price returns back down to this area, which is a demand zone around 38,000, it needs to make a breakout below this lower side of this demand zone in order to see the price going down even more, and the first one is 37,570, around this one. Until that happens, everything's still open, and I'm sure that the bulls who are here and pushing the price higher currently will not easily allow the price to drop in value. And also we can see small selling pressure that has happened on a Thursday was wiped out on a Wednesday, was wiped out on a Thursday easily, and on a Friday the price continued to rise in value. So everything is pointing that the bulls are still on the market. There are no sellers that could push the price down, and I am expecting still the price will reach higher price levels. We'll see what happens around this resistance level 39,000, because it is also a psychological resistance level, which is a round number. There is a possibility that these bulls will exit their trades before reaching this area, some kind of a little bit more before that. If the selling pressure triggers here around the supply zone, the sell-off, they will try to exit their trades a little bit earlier, which means we could see the price reaching very close to this one and then going even down, before reaching 39,000 as a round number. This is one of the scenarios that could happen, but also something can happen in the market that push the price quickly in a day going below, which means something has happened on the market that is changing between the sellers and the bulls. But for now, as a conclusion, I am making that the price will continue to rise in value next week. If something happens on the market, I will check it daily, and I will watch the market. I will share that inside the trading community, so you can check the link below in the description if you would like to join. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.